Welcome back to another Caketastic Cake video, how to do gum paste. And today we're going to be doing Wonder Woman, and please don't forget, if this is helpful and you enjoy it, please like and subscribe. And I'm going to be showing you how to make the Wonder Woman items that you see here. I got an order for the logo and a name, so this is what I made. I just went online and printed out the Wonder Woman logo, and the woman who ordered the stuff wanted to keep the colors and the symbol traditional, so that's why you're going to see the red and yellow and blue a lot. All I did was carve out a red of the entire background, and then the white stripes I cut out of the yellow. And I did it one section at a time off of my template so I could place it onto the red and know where to lay down the yellow stripes. And when I did this though, I did not attach anything with water yet because this kind of thing is sensitive and you're going to be readjusting a lot, so don't glue anything down yet. These two little pieces are those middle wing feather things in her symbol. And again, just carved them out and placed them. No water was used yet. So you want to make sure, especially these guys are going to get moved around a little bit. And once you get those in place, then I just keep trimming away at my template. So I ended up cutting it all to pieces. And I used my last piece for the bottom. And you can't see here because I cut a ton out of this when I was making this, but I redid this a few times and it turned out those side parts of that W shape were too long, and this is what I was saying before. You're going to find little mistakes when you're doing something like this, so don't seal anything down so you can tweak it. And once I got it down in place, then you use your knife blade and separate everything how you want, and then you can seal it down with water. And for the name banner, I found this online. I just kind of like the look of it. So I carved out the whole thing in blue as the background color. I made my white stars and placed them. I used the template to line up where they go. And again, the Wonder Woman logo in the middle. I just carved the entire thing out of yellow. I try to roll the yellow and the white out really thin though, so that when you put it on top of the blue, it's not too puffy and sticking out real far. And this I placed right on top. And the banner, when I had carved it out, it had the words Wonder Woman. So I just took some of those letters and styled them as best I could to make them look all Wonder Woman-y. In that same kind of style font, I guess, Wonder Woman font. And I made the girl's name, and I put everything on top of a black background. So this I rolled out a little bit thicker since it is the background. I want it to be strong enough to support everything. And after I spaced everything out, and then you glue it down with the water, I carved out so there's a little bit of an outline of the black all around everything. And then you didn't see it, but I just added some little red lines of gum paste to outline the wings, and that's it. So if you found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and thank you very much.